Lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't. You do not have to inherit a superfluous amount of wealth before you can be rich. It nevertheless happens that kids raised by rich parents have a better chance. Parental upbringing no doubt plays a major role in how things will pan out. There are certain lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't. I will share with you those lessons that poor parents don't teach their kids. Number 1. Rich parents teach their kids to understand the value of money. Since a poor dad hardly gets enough money to take care of his family, he's too shy to teach his kids the true value of money. The impression the child from poor parents gets about money is that it causes all sorts of ills in the world. On the other hand, a rich dad shows his kids what money can do for them if they make good money. Rich parents who are already successful in business usually allow their kids to learn lessons about ingenious business ideas and means of making money. Having a financial growth mindset is one of the lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't. Number 2. Rich parents teach their kids to realize how money works. Poor kids from poor dads do not have an idea of how money works for people because such things are not taught in schools. How money works is one of the lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't. Even the classes on business and financial management are not practical enough to show the children of poor people how money works. In such classes, it is the children of rich parents that understand those theories as he would have seen his rich dad or his rich mom in action and discussing about money. Number 3. Rich parents teach their kids to create streams of income. Poor parents only show their kids how to work for money to earn active income, while wealthy parents teach their kids in words and action how to let the money work for them and to make passive income. Children from rich homes learn how to have multiple sources of income and observe their parents as they make more money while playing, resting, or even sleeping. But the poor people rely on only one source of income and expend all their energies on that. One of the lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor people don't is to start to generate incomes from multiple sources even now as kids. Number 4. A rich man shows his children the difference between assets and liabilities. Another lesson that rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't is the difference between assets and liabilities. Poor parents remain poor because they acquire liabilities with the little they make, while rich parents become richer because they invest in assets. Kids raised in poor homes usually learn from their parental examples that assets are things you spend on to make more money. On the contrary, children raised in poor homes are fascinated by things that their parents buy that cost more money to enjoy. Number 5. The wealthy teach their kids to provide solutions to make money. The poor feel unconcerned about the problems of people around him, while the rich see the advantages of providing a solution. A rich parent realizes that while he makes other people comfortable, he benefits both physically and financially. One of the great lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't is that to get rich, you must proffer a solution to a problem. Number 6. Rich parents teach their children that increasing income is the solution, not lowering expenses. When family expenses increase, the first thing poor parents consider is how to lower their expenses. As they continue to do this, they sink deeper into poverty, hoping for a sudden change in status. Meanwhile, the rich woman continues to find a way to increase the family income to sustain the lifestyle when the family needs to grow. Not compromising a rich person's standard of living is among the vital lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't. Number 7. Wealthy parents teach their kids to cultivate habits to make more money. While wretched parents expect their family to become rich overnight, wealthy parents understand that money does not grow on trees. Money grows when you plant it in investments. This calls for discipline that will let the rich kids realize that they spend only after they have saved or invested money. They have learned from their parents the habit of making money and thereby get used to doing something to make money every day. Therefore, one of the vital lessons rich parents teach their kids that poor parents don't is the daily habit of making money. The foregoing does not indicate that poor children cannot break the shackles of poverty when they grow old if they learn those lessons. If poor parents teach their kids lessons the rich teach their kids and are frank about their feelings, their children may fare differently. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.